Hi, hello, I'm Pedro, developer advocate at Autodesk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an Autodesk Platform Services application. Let's get started. So first we are going to go to aps.autodesk.com, which is the developer portal for Autodesk Platform Services. We are going to sign in with our credentials. Then we are going to click on Developer Hubs, create new application, and we are going to choose traditional web application, which is the default one, and write a name for our application. Let's click on create, and that's it. We have our first APS application with its client ID and also the client secret. You have a button to regenerate the client secret if you need. You can rename the application, you can write a description for the application. You can see that is also marked as a traditional web application and can use grant type, authorization code and client credentials, and has the default callback for a localhost 8080. And then you can select all the APIs that you want to access with your application. We can save the changes, and also we can add other collaborators to view or edit our new application. Let's save the changes, and that's it. Great, thank you for watching.